Good morning everyone. So today is our second day here in Ao Nang in Krabi. As I mentioned yesterday, we're going to be heading to an island just off the coast. I think it's called Koh Poda. Not sure how you pronounce it. We're just having breakfast here at the guest house we're staying in, and then we're going to head to Ao Nang beach, and we should be able to get a long tail boat. Not sure how much it is, and I think it's like 25 to 30 minutes, and then we'll arrive there. So we got our tickets here. It was 300 baht per person for the round trip, but then you got to pay another 400 like national park fee per person as well. So it ends up being around $21 per person. And now we're just waiting here. You got to basically wait for the boat to fill up with like 6 to 8 people, and then we'll be heading there. So the island we're going to be heading to is that one over there in one of these boats. We've arrived here in Koh Poda. You can see awesome like limestone rocks on this island. Got this other really cool one by itself as well. It's like 10 o'clock now and we're able to stay here until 3 p.m. So we got ages here to just chill out. Nobody here at the moment. So that's pretty awesome. See the mainland of Krabi. Looks pretty amazing as well from here. And this place has some beautiful white sand. Check that out. Beach looks like it goes all the way around here, so we'll check that out later. And then this is where all the boats stop. Pretty beautiful, right, Carol? Yeah. Quiet. For now. For now, yeah. So you might be wondering, how is this just empty when it's so close to the coast and it's so beautiful? So this isn't actually a popular tour to do. The popular tour is the 4 island tour, which this is one of the islands included in the 4 islands. It isn't that common that people just come here directly and just stay here. But I read so many things online just saying like the 4 island tour and the other island hopping tours around here are just extremely busy, loads of tourists, and it's hard to enjoy it. And those of you that follow me know that me and Carol don't like tours like that where you're kind of in a rush, you don't get a long time on the islands and it's just full of people. So I read a few blogs, and then I found this blog where this lady who said like she just came straight here and it was kind of like paradise, and so far it kind of seems like she is correct, I guess. There will be periods obviously where all the boat tours appear here, and then I'll be able to probably show you how it gets. But for the most part it looks like we're gonna have this place to ourselves. So yeah, I think it's definitely a good idea. And I think if you do the 4 island tour it would have been like 800 baht, 900 baht, so it's like 3 times more expensive. Straight in the water there's already loads of little fish here. We don't have a snorkeling mask though, but we can still see it because the water's so clear. I think we found our spot for the day. If you just walk to the other side of the island, you have this huge beach here, some awesome backdrop, pretty much nobody here at all. You can see over here in the background you have Tuk Island, see all the boats there from the tours. So that's one of the islands that's included in the 4 island tour. Yeah, I'm pretty happy we just came here. So you probably saw from those drone shots how beautiful it is here. Some really incredible islands. There's loads in the background as well, you can see others, so I think you can go on boat tours to all these islands around here. Just pretty incredible stuff. And I even got to fly over the one nearby, Tuff Island, that one that you can see over there. And you probably saw how many people were there, like a crazy amount of people. So yeah, it's just cool that you can still find something like this in such a popular destination. I guess here you wouldn't be able to come here if you're doing the island hopping because you won't have time. By the time you walk 15 minutes here, you'd have to be heading back already. So I guess the only way to find this part is to just come here on the day trip. And I think we're gonna head even further down because there seemed to be like a nice little bay there that I saw in the drone shots. So yeah, maybe that's gonna be pretty cool. We've been here for like 2 hours at this part now. We've still got loads of time left. Here's our little spot. What do you think of this place so far?
It's great, it's beautiful, and I'm glad we didn't do the tour.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying the 4 island tour is bad because I've never even done it to personally say if it's bad or not. I just saw a lot of reviews, mixed reviews. Like some people thought it was amazing. I think at the end of the day, it just depends what kind of person you are. A lot of people hate crowded places, so yeah, if you're one of those people, this video is for you. Come to the end of the beach now. You can still see super beautiful still. Probably some of the widest sand I've seen in Southeast Asia so far, I think. My camera can't even handle it. And I forgot to mention before, this island does have restaurants and stuff, so you can eat. We haven't eaten here, we're just gonna eat when we get back probably, but you can do that, so yeah, you can still spend the whole day here and not starve. So this is where all the boats are parked here. And then you got all the people hanging out here. This guy's practicing his night routine. Fire dance. We're gonna be heading out now. It's almost 3 p.m. Been here a long time. Don't usually spend this long at beaches, so yeah, it's been a long day. Definitely worth coming to this beach though, like super beautiful white sand. Ocean was really nice and all the scenery. Even here's really nice as well. Check it out. You can walk through like this little jungle area with cool palm trees. You don't have to go down the beach to get back. Back in Ao Nang town now. We've just come to some Indian restaurants. There seems to be loads of Indian restaurants here. A lot of Indian tourists as well, maybe that's why. And it's good for me because there's a lot of vegetarian options since I don't eat meat. So yeah, I'm going to show you what we got to eat once it arrives. So here it is. I got fried tofu with vegetables and rice, just under $5 I think. And Carol got fried chicken, looks pretty similar, under $6, right? Yeah. Very delicious. How's yours? They always seem to add like nice sauce here in Thailand. Yeah. So it was like super juicy.
A little bit spicy.
A little bit spicy.
It's
Yeah, it's good. Going to close the video out now. We're not going to do anything more. The weather's changed a lot as well. It started raining pretty heavy. Right now I've just been catching up on my videos. I just uploaded my video to Kawasan Falls in the Philippines. You can see here. Check it out, it's a fun video. So also I was just booking our hotel for tomorrow. We're going to be moving from here, going to a place right nearby, and I think it's called Tonsai. It looks like it's going to be a really cool place, like authentic wooden hut kind of place. So gonna have to see how that is. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Drop a like on this video to support me, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.